Good afternoon, one and all. I'm Meghna Kajuri from 3rd year ECE department. It gives me great pleasure to represent coach of CMRTC chapter. CMR Technical Campus presents HackForEt, powered by Dare to Compete, and our in-kind sponsors are DigitalOcean, Rosenwell, and Interview Cake. HackForEt is an online national level hackathon in a vision to find solutions to the real world existing problems in education and technology. We are proud to announce that we have gotten enormous recognition and support from all over the country. Let us have a look at glimpses for HackForEt. Here are the clicks of promotions that we done in our college. The process was not easy for core team to find best of the best out of 295 teams. So we have gotten, let's give us a very big round of applause to them. Here are some of the presentation and review round clicks. Let me invite the chief guest of today's event, Dr. A. Rajareddy sir.
Yeah, good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
And
Please
the next chief guest, Lata ma'am.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good afternoon, ma'am. It's an honor to have you, sir and ma'am, in our virtual inauguration meet. I request you to share a few words.
A very good afternoon to everyone. It's really very much pleasure being here as part of course of CMRTC chapter, and I'm very much glad to be here at this moment as part of the closing ceremony. So everyone will be excited, I know very well, but yeah, so all who have participated, I really appreciate everyone, and all who have registered themselves, I really appreciate their enthusiasm and then interest in participating such kind of events. Today I'm here, like I would like to briefly introduce and as well as summarize regarding HackForEt. So there are so many hackathons going on all over the India. Actually, the hackathon concept has been started in foreign countries, and there are so many number of hackathons going on worldwide from so many years. So these hackathons will be really helping students to come up with their ideas and come up with a particular application oriented, especially ideology to be implemented in the real world and come up with a good solutions. The solutions may be applicable at this moment or maybe sometime later, but the thought process is most important thing. So I would like to tell you everyone, these kind of programs will be helping you to come up with some good ideas to be implementing, and then they will be having such kind of scenario so that your brain will be working on it. So generally, as usually, when you usually every day you eat, sleep, drink, and all these things, you also have your thinking process going on and on. Without thinking process, you are not going to live. As this is the most important thing I really studied in so many studies or researches done by many scientists. So this thinking process is most important in every human brain, which will be helping you to not only for living but making others also to live. So now this HackForEt will be helping us to really come up with good ideas, and we really observed so many number of enthusiastic performances, enthusiastic participations from all over the country. You're all appreciated, dear all. Really, I would like to tell you, your enthusiasm is most required for your college, for your state, for your nation, and for the world also. So I would like to tell HackForEt is an education technology oriented hackathon, which is 72-hour hackathon we have conducted. And I have a small word or saying I would like to tell you. A great aim of education is not only the knowledge, but the action. So knowledge, having the knowledge is not enough, but that should be converted into an action. And one more saying also I would like to quote here: technology gives a quietest student a voice. So the technology will make you to speak something, will make you to do something for the society. So that's all I would like to tell you. And with the mainstream of this education and technology, we have received so many number of participations, teams, and some good number of participations. And we have evaluated each and every idea with a keen observation and with the external jury also. And we came up with good number of good products, I can say, good application oriented products we are going to develop. And maybe the persons who have really participated and come up with the ideas, and they designed very well, they presented very well, the coding and all the things, all the technicalities, what I observed was very much wonderful, really. So anyway, the measurement is not really a full stop here, but there should be a comma for your technology. There should be a continuation for your thought process, and you should achieve so many things in the future. I appreciate everyone, and especially I take this opportunity to appreciate each and every organizing member here. President Abhilash, and then all other team members. I would really like to appreciate each and everyone. And I especially thank our esteemed director, sir, like Sri Rajareddy Garu, for giving us this wonderful opportunity to elaborate everything and explore all the technological oriented aspects in your minds, and then going up to the level of nationwide. And maybe I wish you should organize a worldwide event also. I wish that. I really appreciate everyone, and I really appreciate all the participants. I thank our director, sir. I thank our management also for providing such platform. I thank each and everyone. And yeah, that's all I can say. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for having your words with us. It's really inspiring. Let me now invite the chief guest of today's event, Dr. A. Raj Reddy, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, the CMRTC CodeChef chapter and members of the CodeChef chapter, the faculty coordinator Lata madam, and participants all over India. And finally, you have come to a what do you call the prize winners announcement. Most of you may be awaiting to know anxiously, rather waiting for the results. But however, first of all, I would like to once again congratulate the CMRTC CodeChef chapter students, especially led by Mr. Abhilash and his team. And for the last 3 days, that is 72 hours, you have been working on it for successful and smooth completion of this particular event. Initially, I do not know this event would have been rather scaled to such a level. I really wondered, without in a silent way, you have done it, without much publicity at our institution. But when I see the statistics which are shared by Lata, so there are participants from nearly 12 states, including Telangana, I think. The maximum participation is from Tamil Nadu, around 40% or so. Then next is from Telangana and then Andhra. But there are different states, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. So many other states also there. Nearly 295 teams have took part in this. 1,327 students participated. And as Lata said, that the initial whatever the idea has come, that is very important. The conversion and the commercialization and later, but the what she said is the thought process should go on. There should not be any, rather, put any end to that such a process. So these kind of hackathons, by means of organizing and also participation, one will get an exposure to the latest technologies, and also you find a solution to the real world problems. As you know that the more the the last 2 years, the most affected sector is education sector, because most of the students, right from school to the higher education, they are very because most of our Indian population, if you take rural area where they are not exposed to internet and laptops or technology, that is the reason why they are totally away from education and continuing education for the last 2 years. That was witnessed even in the exams also, recent exams also. So, but that is the reason why we should find a solution to continue our education in hybrid mode if it is required. Already, of course, the developed countries, they are doing the online as well as offline, both the type of examinations and classwork will be going on. And nowadays, you see there are so many online courses have been available in different platforms like Swayam, MOOCs, or maybe Coursera. There are so many people have come up, especially in this particular COVID time. They have offered various courses to the students. So that is the reason the education technology should be either. I feel that it's a right topic which you have chosen for this particular hackathon, and I really congratulate and appreciate all the efforts made by the CMRTC CodeChef chapter, and advance congratulations to the winners of this particular event. So wish you all the best for the future. In future also, you would like to continue these kind of events and find a different solutions to the real world problems. So with this, I wish once again everyone have a rather hope for the future. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, sir. Really, the words you shared are so motivating. HackForET have gotten tremendous response from the various engineering colleges and universities across the nation. We hope in the upcoming years, the number of people taking part grows higher and higher, giving everyone an opportunity to learn and support the community. Here are the stats of HackForET. The students registered listed here college-wise, and the corner pie chart shows the year of study. This HackForET process was no less than a task for the jury members, but they handled it very well by being patient and giving non-partial reviews at this moment. At this moment, we would like to thank our jury members for making this event a grand success by playing a major role in it. The internal jury, Dr. Srinivas Konda, Srimati G. Lata, Lalit Anjana, Rohit, Saumya, and Satvik, followed by special mentions to Dr. M.H. Farkad, Director, Data Division, INL Labs, Canada. We would also like to thank each and every one of them who helped us in organizing this marvelous hackathon, HackForET, and making this event to remember. We would also like to specially thank our sponsors, which made this event happen and providing various tools and assets that would help all the students who have participated. In-kind sponsors, DigitalOcean, Rosenfeld, and Interview Cake. The title sponsors are CMR Technical Campus. Let me now announce the prize for HackForET competition winners. The best performers will get Amazon vouchers for the top 3 teams, 5K, 3K, and 2K respectively. The D2C Pro memberships, internship opportunities at startups. Every participant will get participation certificate, DigitalOcean credits worth $100, and interview cake free access for 30 days. Let me now announce the second runner, that is Taggedile team.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Project title.
No. Before Meghana, so let us listen to the winners or runners of this particular Taggedale team, if they are online.
Yes, sir. Congratulations to Takeda team. So we would like to hear from you. How was your experience?
Exactly.
Yeah, we got a nice experience. Actually, we are from first year only. We are really
Which
happy
college?
to. Yeah, we are from KMIT, Keshav Memorial Institute of Technology, Narayanaguda, Hyderabad.
Okay.
So we are happy that we won this at least second prize. As we are from the first year, this is somewhat a better chance for us to improve the next time. Yeah, thank you.
I would like to thank CMR College for giving us this opportunity to show our talent, and I would like to thank our team leader and teammates. With their work, we could come up to here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, and all the organizers. It was so well planned and very systematic. I feel so blessed being part of this program, and all thanks and all credits to our team leader and also the group members. Thank you so much.
Participating in this competition was one of the best, maybe without best experiences. I was the freshman year we tried to participate, and winning the competition is a great pleasure to all of us. All credits to the team leader, and I would like to thank our teammates for all the efforts.
Yeah, and I'm thankful for this opportunity, and our thankful for our teammates and our team leader. And thanks.
Next runner followed by 3 men in a code. I request all the 3 men in a code team to speak a few words.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all the organizing teams. It was really one of the great opportunity for us, as we are from the second year of University Institute of Technology, Bardhaman University in West Bengal. It is really, we are really very cheerful, don't have any words in our mouth to express our feelings right now. It was really a very amazing experience. We have created, we have researched all the things and tried to make it more complex and make the abstraction as simple as possible for the access of all the teachers for all the backgrounds. Thank you for the opportunity, sir.
Yeah, congratulations to the 3 men in a code team for being the first runner-up.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you that organization team and my team members. Thank you.
I would also like to thank Coach Chef for providing a platform to showcase our abilities. And I am very thankful for my teammates with whom I've worked together almost day and night for first runner and go at HackForEt. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
At the end, finally, I would like to call upon the winners of this HackForEt.
Let's wait. Let's not give it directly. Guys, do you want to play something? Are you waiting for winners of this hackathon to know about the team? Everybody, is it a yes?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
please turn on your videos. So we would love to see you, and only then we'll be announcing the winner's name. Cool. See now how interesting it gets. All right, guys. Meghna, on three. Meghna, you there?
Yes,
So
I am.
on three, two,
Yo.
one, and the winner is.
Alpha team.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. You are the
Congratulations. A
top
big round of
performer and
applause to all
the
the
winner of
winners.
HackForEt.
Thank you very much. First of all, it had really been a very great experience, and we learned a lot in this time and come up with an efficient solution in such a less time. So, thank you very much. It had
You are
really
from
been
which,
amazing.
your organization and your place?
We are
Yeah,
from
actually, I would like to thank CMR Technical Campus because they have considered the fact that our three team members are from different college. Myself from Jadavpur University, Kolkata. Archon Banerjee is from Academy of Technology, Hubli, and Devsi is from Chandigarh Engineering College. So I would extremely thankful to them that they considered the fact that instead of being from different college, we are able to take part in this competition.
Wonderful, wonderful. Congratulations to every one of
Thank you
you.
so much for it. Thank you.
Uh,
Here are the list of top 10 teams of HackForEt. The first is, as we already mentioned, it's Alpha team, followed by 3 Men in a Code. The third winners, that is Taggedeli, Fantastic CU Sapiens. And fifth, that is Ablaze Tech, Semafy, Vishesh Agaya, and RCOE. In the ninth, that is the Innovators. And the 10th, that is Binary Brains. I congratulate all the participants and especially the winners too. I'd like to thank all the dignitaries who have given their valuable time and supported this event. Also, I hope the best for all the teams who took part in this hackathon.
So Abhilash, finally, you can conclude your efforts and experience in organizing this event.
Abhilash.
yeah, ma'am. So am I
Yeah.
audible?
Yeah.
So hello, guys. So I'm Abhilash, the president of Coaches CMRTC chapter. One of
Meanwhile, Abhilash, let me. Meanwhile, please, all of you guys, I request everyone to unmute, mute yourself and on your camera, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can, everyone, please switch on your camera so that we will have a screenshot and a recording also. Yeah, Abhilash, please carry on.
Yes, ma'am. So first of all, let me thank my college management for giving me this great opportunity wherein I couldn't do this without their support. It's us, it's who we worked as a team, but it's college management, director sir, our HODs, Dr. Srujan Reddy sir, director sir, Dr. Raj Reddy, and our faculty advisor, Dr. G. Lata ma'am. So without their support, we wouldn't be here today organizing everything what went very smoothly. So all in all, I'd like to congratulate everyone who are top performers and who are not in the top list. Just don't demotivate. This gives you an experience, something, an edge over somebody who's beside you, and will help you to participate more in hackathons. Will give you much more ideas and will give you more more devastated thinking in terms of how you should be in hackathon, how you should plan in a hackathon, how you should participate in a hackathon. See, this is a 72-hour hackathon in which we not slept the entire 3 days, and we didn't we haven't gave a chance to our team members as well. So if this would have been offline, it would be somewhat interesting, right? So similarly, thinking on that note, if it's online, I thank our uh, faculty and management and you guys for supporting, for your enormous support for whatever the reason and whatever our decision might be. Your support was flawless. It's just marvelous. I just didn't have any words. So I'm just happy that you came forward and participated in this hackathon, and looking forward for more of your participation. And we would love to organize such kind of events coming on. I'd love to see you more and more. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, Abhilash, for sharing your experience. For further details, you can just follow us on Instagram and like, share, comment on YouTube too.
Yeah, finally. Finally.
Here
Yes, yes. Yeah. So, as a convener, coordinator, faculty advisor, whatever the name you give, but I really enjoyed a lot, and I really even learned a lot from you guys and all the participants. I have really seen the interest, the so much of interest they have shown. Like someone was like showing the physical equipment, someone was showing something else, someone was showing some posters, someone was showing, coming up with very nice ideas, and then they want to really present well like for an event and all. So I really, every student should take such kind of spirit and motivation, and then you should come up with good ideas and to be implemented. Participation is most important. That's all I would like to tell. And here uh, I should really appreciate all the team members of CodeChef CMR TC chapter. You have set a mark. You have already set a mark, you know. So this should be passed to your juniors and coming like batches also. And as our directors are also here, I would really like to tell you and appreciate you. And from our college and from our director and our HOD and from the department, I am now promising you that you are going to get appreciation certificates from our college. That's all I would like to tell you.
I congratulate each and every student who took part in this CodeChef Hack for ET program. Don't ever demotivate yourself that you didn't win a prize. Appreciate yourself that you actually took part and you're already half done. So keep yourself motivating, and for further update, follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn, and please do support us on CodeChef CMRTC chapter YouTube. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you,
So
one and
also,
all.
ma'am, I also wanted that please attend what was the lack in our team that we can't reach at the top three.
Pardon?
Could you please
What
repeat?
was the lack? What was the lack in our team that we can't reach at the top three?
Okay. Let me answer that.
Oh.
See guys, for whomever in the meeting, Anubhav and his team made a working project which is an Arduino based RFID, which works for our tap payments at stationary wallet, as in our any shops as a wallet payments. So
Yes,
that
sir.
works as a sensor system. So even we have his he's one of the top computer for everybody. Anubhav, it is just that you're a a slight point away from getting into top three. See, you're not less than a winner, Anubhav.
So I'm asking about the next hackathon so that we can cover the mistake. So
Yeah,
all the ma'am and the sirs can please tell our team about the mistake.
Sure, Anubhav. Even we have a CP lead here.
One thing
Sure,
I would
Anubhav.
like to
Anubhav,
tell
I'm
you
here
is,
to answer your question, Anubhav. Yeah, I am there in the, like, I'm also a jury member, so I have evaluated each and everything. So I really liked your valid system and all, the RFID one and all. That's really very nice. But for each problem statement, we have got almost 10 registrations, I guess, right? So almost like a competition was like, we were unable to really understand where to put a mark high and within a point 0.5. I would really like to tell you that within a point 0.5 and only one point difference, you are maybe fourth or fifth position. Anubhav, which position he is in?
Fourth.
I think fourth, I guess. Yeah, right. So that's what. So they come up with kind of like real time. We have seen like the code execution and everything we have seen, and everything comes into the matter, and then yeah, you are a little slight away from the third position.
I have his insight.
Yes, yes.
I'm the one who keenly observed his project. So based on the real-time implementation, you just have a 0.5 marks less than the the third winner. A 0.5. So if you could have integrated your model into a database, or you could have been in the top 3. Trust me, you're not less than a winner. Right now, you're a winner to me.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And guys, everybody, you'll be getting your certifications, your rewards within 7 days. So don't worry, you'll get them to your mail. And also, will you be sharing video? Video. So let me announce one thing, like how we evaluated your projects. It's as simple as the top. There are 7 constraints. First one being your idea, your approach for your solution. The second one is your design, how you designed your front end and how you were able to manage user interaction with it, your UX. And the functionality, how you maintain the functionality, how was the functionality working. And then the originality, is your code original, is your idea original, or is it somewhere copied, and could it be a real product? So everybody can come up with a solution, but could it be a real product? Will it work in the real world? So that's what matters, right? So sixth point being integration of technology. So you would be utilizing some of the softwares or tools. Somewhere being for front end, you'd be using some tools and languages. On the back end, you'd be using tools and languages. So they are different. And the last one is your presentation and demo. So these are the criterias which we, our jury members, have evaluated you and came up with the top list. Okay.
Abhilash, like let us ask two members, at least two members, participants, share their experience. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Guys, let me call. We have a Blaze Tech team members: Sandhya, Sweta, Seshraj, Varun, or Vishnu.
Yes, we are here.
Yeah, Vishnu. So we would hear from you. I mean, we would want to hear from you. How was your experience?
Well, this is the first time for me, but my team members were very experienced in hackathon, so they guided me well, and they also gave me the opportunity to present the PPTs and all that thing. So I'm actually grateful and happy.
Okay. Team Alpha. Team Alpha.
Yeah.
Jaideep, we will love to see your demo once again, so that audience will be
Yeah,
known.
sure.
And
Yeah,
FYI, Team Alpha secured first position, the winner of this hack. I mean, the winners of hackathon.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this is the real-time code editor, and let me create one room. And let me. This is the share button. So let me share the link to others so that they can collaborate on the same platform. Yeah. So this is the second one, and like we can run the code using this button. If I press on this button, you can see the output here in some time. Yeah, you can see the alpha editor. Welcome to alpha editor, because as this is real-time collaboration, so all the coders who are present in this room can see. And if I edit this one, the others one you can see, other one is get automatically edited. I am editing the left side. You can see I am editing the left side, and the right one is automatically edited. And as I mean, there can be millions of rooms. I mean, millions of participants in this room. So all will get to see the same code who are in the same room. So this is about, and another feature is that we can change the font size also. We can change the theme also. There are various themes, dark theme, solarized dark. We can change the language also. And we can, another thing is that we can upload the code also. So let me show you that. We can upload code, means we can upload a code image, and that image will automatically convert it into code. So let me show you. Suppose let me upload a PNG file. Yeah, so yeah, you can see that image, original image was this one. This is the image. You can see the exact code has been typed here. So it is useful for the teachers, like who the like handwritten code of the student. They need to check the handwritten code of the student. So what shall they do? So they just take the image and upload it here, and code will come, and they can then run the code. So this is one feature. Another feature is that we can also upload our code. Like, let me show you. Upload any. I see this is C++ file. I am uploading this code, and yeah, you can see this code has already come here. The code has been uploaded, and what you can also download the code. You can also see code C++ source file. This code which is here downloaded, and this is the sharing link. You can share this link to anyone. Like if you share the link to anyone, he or she will be able to join the room. So this is about the code editor, real-time code editor plus compiler. And apart from that, we have also created documentation feature in which one will be able to create their own documents. So let it open. Yeah. So this is the coding doc feature, and you can also filter this according to the tags. Like as of now, all tags are selected: DSA, PIML, CP, blockchain. If I want that, I want to see only topics related to DSA and CP. What I can do, I can inactivate this, and only the topics related to DSA and CP will show to us. You can see only the topics: B-tree, coin change permutation. These are related to DSA and CP. And you can upload the post, upload any post. Like if you upload the post, then that post will come into the home page here. And in the my post section, if you upload any post in the my post section, it will come here. So let it load. Yeah, you can see these are all the posts posted by me, and I can only delete my post. I can only edit my post and not others' post. Since I'm logged in, these are the my post. And another thing is that another feature we have created. So we are also showing the recommendation. Like if I open this B-tree, this article, yeah, you can see this article someone has posted using this upload. And one thing we are suggesting, if you are watching this B-tree, we are recommending that watch these also. These are all related because B-tree is related to data structure and algorithm. So we are suggesting the user, if you are reading this also, then watch this one also. So it is a kind of recommendation system that we have created in this website. So yeah, so this is all about the website that we have created. Thank you.
That's really great job. Anyone from 3 Men in a Code and the Taggedeli team, we would like to listen to your experiences.
Okay, my name is Motesh Mehta. I'm team leader of 3 Men in a Code. The experience was really very great. The one thing which was very interesting about that the president sir has said that about the evaluation of our code and evaluation of our projects based on all the 6 points. It was really amazing. That was really very amazing thing that you have considered all the 6 to 7 points in order to evaluate our points. That's really very great. I really thanks to all of my teammates and Code Chef platform to giving us this opportunity. It was really very great experience for us. Thank you.
Is anyone interested to share your experience and a few words to all your fellow contestants? As the other students are interested, could 3 Men in a Code please give your demo? Could you please show your demo?
Yes, sir. Is my screen visible? Okay, so our problem statement was to uploading of the study materials by the professors and accessing it by the students. So we have created the two sections, like the admin login section and the student login session. In the student login session, we have not authorized students to anything except of accessing the notes, and you can just enter your department session. You can enter your department, your roll number, and your passport. This passport thing is very important. Like this is an extra security for your user profile. Every student will have their own user profile, and only an admin, that is a professor or a class representative, can make a new user profile. Like since I am in 4th semester, I can see the notes of any of the professor. And apart from that, the notes will be loaded and you can see it and download it. Apart from that, there will be a user profile section. You can edit your profile. There is a passport, which I have already said about the security details. You can change the passport according to your will. This is the interesting feature which will be updated. Okay. Apart from that, there is a admin login session. In the admin login session, we have given all the authority and all the power to the admin so that they can upload the notes. We have tried to make it complex, but fully very simple graphics user interface, very simple abstraction, so that any professors of any background can use it very easily. Like in order to upload a note in a particular session in a particular department, you just have to select the buttons. Like for in my session, like in 2020 to 2024, you have to just click the session, click the department or whatever department you are in, whatever semester you are in. Like I'm in 4th semester, whatever professor you want to say. Like right now there are only say 5 professors. You can add any name to professor. I have given the short names of the professor, like as I said, GC said. You can write the subject name too. It's on your wish. You can add new semesters. You can add new professors. You can add new sessions according to your will. Like there in the add session, you can add a new year. You can add a new semester. You can add a new teacher. Like let me add a new subject teacher or a subject name. Just to which session you want to add. Like in this session I want to add in my department. In 4th semester, like I want to add a new professor, like let it be new professor be SK sir, like he is also one of our professor. Sir has been added. Now you can go here again, follow the process. 4th semester, SK sir will be available here. You just have to select the files. You can upload the PDF file. The format can be anything. It can be a text, TXT file, PDF file, PPT, JPG, or any PDF, any kind of document file. You can upload it here. The uploading time is totally dependent on the internet speed. Since I'm using mobile network, it may take a little time. So it is uploaded, but in order to in my database to update in my database, And I have used for the backend, I have used like Firebase database for the real-time database and for the storage database. Okay, in the student section, you can go 20201019 my roll number, and I have changed my passcode earlier, so previous passcode will not log me in. First semester. Here SKSI is added, and in SKSI the PDF is added. So that is all. And apart from that, you can add. There is also a notice section. In the notice section, like SKSI has added the dispel PDFs. SKSI added the PDF. Notice added successfully. You can view that notice here in the notice section, like SKSI has added the PDF. Apart from that, admin will have the authority to add another admin, like only an admin can add another admin, and only an admin can register a new student. Like if you want to register, like there will be a new session, like in 2021 to 2025 or in 2020 to 2026, there will be a new session. You have to just choose the department, and you have to enter the name and roll number of the student, and the student will be allocated. And each and every student will get a unique passcode, as I have mentioned here about the passcode, like here, like this one, the passcode session. Every student will be allocated an initial passcode of 000 in the student DB. Every student will have a unique passcode of 000. Uniquely, every student will have a passcode until and unless he changes his passcode by his own name. I have changed my passcode to M#1, so my passcode has been changed. But initially, it will be 000 for every student. It adds the extra level of security to our app. So that is the complete app which we have created. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, that's really great. I congratulate all your team members. Now, Lata ma'am, would you like to share any few words, or else we'll end up now?
Yes, I would really definitely would like to convey that all of you guys really work very well. The way you present is also very well. Like we have seen like Alpha team and the 3 Men in Code team, and then Taggedele team and other 5 teams, Anubhav and remaining participants also. The top 10 teams were really very well, but almost all are near and far, a little, very, very little difference. So this is not really kind of measuring the knowledge, but it is kind of treasuring the knowledge, I can say. So here we are all are here gathered. This is what the we can say one team told just now, that like one from one college and one another place and another place and all. So 3 different states and the different colleges can join for a technology, can come up with a good application and to be useful for the society and to be used for the good purpose. Then it's always encouraged that like you should think in that way and you should work in that way, and one or the other day you are going to be the successful person in your lives. That's all I would like to tell each and everyone. And once again, I congratulate each and every member of the CodeChef CMRTC chapter. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing the valuable words. At the end, I would like to tell all the participants that never feel demotivated that you didn't lose a prize or something else. Feel free that you have given your best and everyone is unique from others. Never ever feel so depressed or something else. Be happy for yourself. For further updates, stay tuned. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.